Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Hassan and today we have something special I'm going to share with you. This is my Oud Oil collection. Not too expensive or too much, but I think I would like to share with you how I have different regions Oud and how they actually smell and when I use them. So, um, so here is my simple collection. So I'm going to start from right side. So this is M201 Nagaland from Assam Aromas, India. Very leathery oud oil. It has very powerful leather note, a bit dry, some herbal notes. So I normally use it in winters. So mostly Indian ouds, they are great for winters uh, because if they have very powerful leather note, you cannot use them in summers. Next one is Brahmaputra. This is also Indian, but it is very sweet, very sweet and very light oud oil. This is delightful. So I think it is again from Nagaland. It is very sweet. My favorite region from India is Nagaland. Sometimes use it because I acquired very like half a gram of this oud oil. Then this one is Kusuma from Ansar Oud. I have almost finished this. I think I mixed it in, it is from Thailand and Cambodia. It was very sweet, just like a candy, kind of touch to it. Then this one from Ansar Oud, which is Oud Yaqub. I ordered it 2018, distilled in 2018. I ordered it from UK. Some brother sent me this one, and this is again I think Trat Oud, very lovely oud oil. So I normally use it. It is close to Hindi and Chinese oud oil. So I use it in summers or winters whenever I feel like it. This one is special. It is Zaza Zen, and it is one of the best, I can say, meditative oils. Very relaxing, calming profile. You can see I have actually two of them. Half I have used Zaza Zen, this one, and this one is full. So I ordered like 3 or 4 bottles. I use them. Next is Pontiac from Imperial Oud. This company has been closed, but you can contact, I think I have shared with you in another video, Fahim Bhai, Fahim brother Fahim from UK, who has started another one. I don't remember the name, but I will share the URL over here. You can contact him on Instagram. I think he still have Pontiac with him. Okay, so about Pontiac. This one is really chocolatey, light leather, sweet, very dense. I really love it in winters. This is one of the best winters. Then this one is Borneo, Oud Borneo Tarakan. It is very sweet, a bit airy, candy kind of from Ashworth Oud. This one I use mostly in summers. Then I have Koh Kong Imperial. This is one of my favorite region, Cambodia, Koh Kong, and this one was very costly. So I just ordered, I think 1 gram or maybe less than that. And I really love this. This is very airy, very sweet, and one of the best profiles. Then this one is People Salani. This is Sri Lankan Trot and New Guinea and Sar Oud. I finished this one. I think I ordered 2 or 3 bottles of this one. Pontiac, again chocolatey, one of the best chocolate flavor, caramel chocolate. King Cambodi. This one is almost Pursat and King Koh Kong, one of my favorite region, Koh Kong, co-distillation, two distillations. This one is light Cambodi, caramel, airy kind of. I rarely use this one. Okay, so then we have Alamgir, India, one of the most expensive Hindi oud oils and one of the best I have. This has very lovely floral yellow grass kind of jungle vibe. So this one I use when I'm tense, or maybe I want to relax myself. I apply it on my beard, and this is one of the best from Indian oud oils I have. This is Malinao Classic, very herbal, smoky, light smoky, sweet herbal kind of profile. Very lovely. Rarely apply it, but sometimes when I am in the mood, I apply this one's People Selani. This is very light, airy, breezy kind of profile from Sri Lanka. Three oud oils, but this one is the full bottle I have. Then this one, Naga Lion from Ansar Oud, Nagaland, Cambodia. One of the best, very lovely, sweet Nagaland kind of profile. But it doesn't have any skank or anything. Sweet oil, very lovely. I use it in summers or winters whenever I want to use it. I have mixed it in other oils actually. Again, another bottle of Alamgir I am preserving. Oud Sumbawa, herbal, green, little bit smoke in the background, very sweet. It has something like there is a burning volcano in far away. It is very nice profile from Ashworth Oud. Then I have this one is Oud Extraordinaire. This is the one which started my oud oil journey. Rayong, one of my favorite region from Thailand. Floral, dense, sweet, candy, earthy. What a lovely profile it has. This one is Borneo 50K, Milanao 2005. It is one of the most expensive bottles I have. I think it's almost closer to 500 or $600 right now. But this is the one. I rarely use it. I don't like much of its profile. Then I have these, one of my favorite, Tiger Wood Royale. This is the favorite of my kids and myself. Earthy, petrichor, floral. It is amazing. One of the best oud oils I would really love someone to gift me would be Tiger Wood Royale or Tiger Wood. Then this one is an oud oil from Burma. Very different profile. Oud Burmese. You can see I have written Burmese oud. This is one of the best. This is 1 gram I acquired. Let's put it like this. And what is this one? Okay, so Sri Lankan Oud Oil Senko, Sri Lanka Senko, or this one also, another one from Ansar Oud, Sri Lanka Senko. This is very breezy, light, very sweet, like you are burning some sugar. This is very lovely, very different profile. This is Oud Amiri from Ajmal. Just having a reserve, a small, I think I mixed it in some other oils. Very punchy kind of, a bit funky kind of Hindi oud oil. Okay, so we have discussed this one. Let's explore this one quickly. Milanao Bold, Borneo. So this one I think I had and I sold it. It has a very lovely Malinao Borneo kind of profile. One of my favorite region is Malinao, Borneo. If you can get this region, this is one of the best. Herbal, floral, foresty kind of, mostly they have maybe some smoke in there. This one is Aceh, Indonesia. This is also one of my favorite profiles for summers. It is very green, fresh, light, sweet, foresty. Then we have Aroha the Afrique. So this one is actually vetiver, brown. You can see it is very lovely vetiver. The only vetiver I enjoy and love. I don't like the green vetiver much. Next is Cambodi Word. So this one was my favorite, and I had like 40 grams or 40 ml of this lovely Cambodi profile oud, but I actually mixed it in a lot of different macerations with musk oils. Laos, very sweet, candy kind of, light candy, rounded, fruity, kind of profile. Used it rarely. Assam Asli. This is very similar to Alamgir, so it is kind of a little brother of Alamgir. Very lovely profile and Hindi profile, and it is kind of like I'm not sure what is happening to the focus. Okay, so Hindi profile very similar to Alamgir. Then we have Aroha the Yusuf. So chocolate and smoke and sweetness and caramel. This is one of my favorites. When it came, this bottle came, I didn't like it or enjoy it much, but right now it is one of my favorites. I have mixed it in others. Then this one, Lao Cha. This is from Laos and Thailand, from Ansar Oud, and 2020 distilled. Sometimes I use it. It is kind of sweet. Okay, so this one is Naha Trang Altima. Altima, yes, from Vietnam, 2011. Very old oud oil, very expensive. I think I bought this bottle for $50. This is just 1 gram. One of the most expensive oud oils are from Vietnam. Okay. Then I have this one, Emperor Guan Yu, from, this one is from Hong Kong, one of the best Jinko store. So from Jinko, and this is one of my favorite profiles. It is kind of airy, sweet, like very similar to Koh Kong. And I think this is all my collection of oud oils. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or you have used any oud oils like these, do share with me. Next, I'm going to share with you some of my blends or other oils which I have and which I use the most. I will show you which ones I use the most. So let's move on to the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.